ang nightlife sa Hong Kong, nakilala noong 70s sa matitingkad na neon signs sa mga kalsada. Ang ganitong vintage na vibes, binubuhay muli ng kainan na ang inahain hot-pot.
Yung signages niya, yung ilaw na ginagamit, yung wall clock doon, very vintage. Yung parang yung stalls, kala mo talagang closed na stalls, but syempre, it's just part of the decoration. But yeah, even the table, the chairs, the setup, galing, nakakatuwa. Apparently, they boast of their 20 sauces and a mixture of meats, seafood na susubukan natin. And I'm very, very hungry. I'm very, very excited. So apparently, kaya sila bumabalik-balik or binabalik-balikan ng hot pot anywhere naman in the world because of the sauce. So specifically here, at least you have different choices. Tinanong ko nga sa kanila, pwede kong haluin lahat. Chill, ikaw na bahala. With the meats and the seafood, you have options. With your soups, you also have options. This one is the chicken soup. This one is the medyo Szechuan. Ito yung medyo spicy. Parang rule of thumb nila, kapag i-dip mo yung kung ano man, meat or yung seafood, whatever, ball, usually it takes 10 to 20 seconds lang, maluluto na. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boom! 15 seconds. Okay, di pa tayo gumagawa ng sauce. Medyo chinek ko lang naman, okay?
Sinulit na nga ang pinaghalo-halo mga sauce, bahala na kung anong magiging lasa. Sauce ko po!
Uy! Yung may konting ubo. Sabihin na may konting sipa. Ubo.
Mukhang may mga naglalaway na dito sa tabi ko ah.
Mga hotpot, hindi naman talaga pang-soloista yan eh. Mas masaya kapag maraming kasama. Diba? Hey! Wow, this is good.
Ano, nabiting ka sa Biyahe? God! All you gotta do is just subscribe to the YouTube channel of GMA Public Affairs and you can just watch all the Behind the Drew episodes all day, forever in your life. Let's go! Yeehaw!